saved him? Thank goodness. Okay, I'm going to start cleaning out the bathtub. Wait, did you take a shower this morning? Or was that yesterday? That was yesterday.
Okay. Wow. I gotta put it away into the box again, because
Hey, Charlie.
Smelly cat, smelly cat.
Oh, you have him in there. That's cute.
I can't take it home. This is home. And take it back to his home.
He likes that.
What if he exists? What if he exists?
I'm guessing he got some food off the table.